There's only 2 parts to this, so this should be fairly quickly. I say, which is Indianapolis, and see just how long we got to go for that. Hope everybody's having a good Wednesday. I, like a goof, forgot to upload the uploading, and then after that I have part 10, which was Donington Park or something like that.
Rossi's 5th place puts him 25 points clear of Lorenzo.
I was lucky because it was just a small crash. 11 points are like gold for the championship.
Yeah, for sure. He has been a little bit lucky. My bike was completely destroyed. This is not over. There is 7 races to the end. Things can change.
Back on track after the
Czech Republic
race in the Czech Republic. Rossi, Lorenzo and Pedrosa are on the front row. Casey Stoner is in Australia. Under doctor's orders, he's withdrawn from the next 3 races. The MotoGP world is stunned. Casey Stoner is stopping for 2 months because he's tired. Tough guy motorcycle racers don't do that. They race with broken bones. They never give up.
You know, people just don't understand that, you know, when you're not competitive and you're getting worse each race, there's no sense to just keep going. You know, you've got to stop, find the problem and fix it. You know, if a bike isn't running right and you're nowhere near competitive, you have to stop, try and fix it and continue. So it's no different when the human body, and, you know, this is what we needed to do.
The championship is now a straight fight between Rossi and Lorenzo. Rossi makes a great start, but Lorenzo hunts him down. With 6 laps to go, he's on Rossi's tail.
All right, let's go ahead and skip that because I don't want to get copywritten again.
9 laps to go. Lorenzo.
I don't even know what I did to deserve it. It's just like there's a section of my video that was like there's a copyright claim, and I'm like, all right, whatever. I'm just trying out here to make videos, and YouTube channel by all means, trust me. I don't have enough subscribers for that yet. Maybe, who knows? A bit wide on that turn. What are we doing here? Oh, don't get past first place. Okay, I could do that. I like this track. I'm not sure why it's not on the MotoGP track for career mode, but I like this track. I think it's got a good balance of straightaways and turns. That, you know, enough straightaways to get up to those high speeds, you know, to where you feel like you're making progress, and then, you know, you got to slow down and get these, you know, get through these various turns, different degrees of difficulty. I think it's a good track, but I don't know, maybe they just decided not to do it. Five laps of this? All right. I mean, There's a bit of a wide turn there. See, this is number 11. We've got to get to 15. We might finish this. We might finish this one on Saturday. I feel like I've already raced. I've already done like 4 laps, but I've only done 3. Maybe that's why they don't do this track anymore. Maybe it's too long. 22 laps. Whoa. That was a weird turn, or a weird action by the motorcycle, or by me. Not sure what I did that for. Whew. Final lap, here we go. Focus. 28 seconds, Lorenzo's 28 seconds behind us. But he's definitely not gonna pass us. So we'll just gotta get a decent clean lap through here. There is one more track, I think it's in Singapore, near the end. I think it's either 14 or 13, that I'm not a fan of. And I think, and it's because it's a very long track, and it's the the mission is it's a longer track, and you have to do it in the rain. And there was something else about it I'm not a fan of. Oh, I think you have quite a few laps. I think there's one where you have to do like 6 laps or something like that, and it's outrageously long. There's no need for it to be that, have that many laps required, but we'll tackle that when we get to it. I don't know if it's after Indianapolis though, but we'll see. Look at that. Both check marks, all 5 laps done, and a clean race. No rewinds and no crashes. That's a good way to start the day. Good way to start the day. Oh no, my phone updated. Oh. More battling.
When I catch him, I tried to open a gap, so I was struggling a lot and was a little bit tired. So I did a mistake in one braking and I crashed. For sure, the championship is almost impossible.
It's adding up. The mistakes, the crashes, the injuries, the pressure, the points.
Unsung Hero Part 4. Part 4.
You haven't been on the podium in a year. You crashed out of the lead in the last race, the British Grand Prix, which Dovizioso won. Dovizioso on the factory Honda, which is that little bit better than your satellite team Honda. It's all good motivation.
I spoke too soon about having a good race. Well, at least we only have 3 laps for this one, so that's good. Whoa. What was that? Just decides to crash? Just decides to go to sleep, just take a nap, lay down. I don't know what that was all about. Oh well. Ooh. Front wheel came up on that. It didn't want to let me turn. Oh, don't lose the back end. I see him. I see Rossi. I don't think we're going to get to him before the final couple turns, but hey. We might. We'll see. We got 2 turns left. No, probably not. Maybe. 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 No! Oh, we were so close. We got our double check marks and stuff, so we didn't have to pass him, but man, it would have felt a little bit good to pass him. So, all right, guys, that's going to be it. So that is part 11, the Czech Republic. I think it's called Brno or Brno. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't want to slaughter it, so I'm just going to say the race that we can get done. Then I'll do both of them. I'll do Indianapolis today too. So stay tuned. Like I said, part 9 at Saxon Ring is uploading right now on the YouTube, and part 10 is going to be up next. Part 10 was obviously Donington, and then part 11 will be after that. So stay tuned and have a good one.